we're going to do the shoulder pull down exercise. Now this is to teach you to properly stabilize your shoulders. Okay, so we'll work from the ground up as we always do. What you'll start in is a semi-kneeling position, so just kneeling on one knee and the other foot forward. You should have about a 90-degree angle on the front leg. From the back leg, your body line and the top part of the leg should all be in a straight line, so you should really try and keep yourself as upright as possible. From there, we're going to set our neutral spine. Even with these pulling drills, we definitely do them. So you arch your back and then back off just a little bit. And set your weight belt. So breathe in and push your stomach out. Breathe out and pull your stomach in, and make sure your TVA is nice and engaged. From here, we're simply going to move the shoulder. So you really don't want to be pulling with the arm itself, so there shouldn't be too much elbow flexion. So what you want to do is, if you start with your shoulders way up by your ears, there should be enough weight that it pulls your shoulders up. If you're just learning this, you can work with a little bit less weight. But if the weight isn't heavy enough to pull your shoulder up, then really make sure that you lift your shoulders up to start this before you start the movement itself. From there, you're going to draw your shoulders down, really making your neck as long as possible. This is engaging your lats and stabilizing your shoulder in preparation for doing any pull down activities. What you will notice if your arm is completely relaxed is that there's a bend in the elbow, just a slight bend. Now you're not actively bending your elbow, but you shouldn't be forcing it to stay straight either. If your hands are tense to hold on to the bar, but your arm is relaxed, and that natural bend will occur, and that's perfectly normal. From there, you relax, reach up as high as you can, and then start again. Pull down, hold for a second, and then back up. One thing I do notice with people doing this in free space like this is you'll get a lot of tendency to move backwards and forwards as you're relaxing or pulling with the shoulders. Really try and stabilize your body as much as you can, so the only movement that's happening is happening at the shoulder itself. Okay?